Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today we're back at Upper Camp Road, just looking at the development on their new gate. As you guys would have known, or probably don't know, they are changing where their gate is currently to right here, so it's still under construction. The last time we came here, the road wasn't resurfaced and the stoplights weren't in. So it's just a quick video looking at the progress of the work, looking at the update of the work as well. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe guys. Subscribing is free, and definitely leave your comment in terms of what you think about the progress of the work and the idea behind the gate relocation at Camp Road. We're seeing that they're making headways. We see the building for the security office to enter and to exit. We see the perimeter fence basically complete. So I'm standing on Arnold Road. Stoplights are fully functional. So it's really a quick update guys. I think probably just by guesstimation, I think probably the project will be finished in another 1 to 2 months, probably 3 max. And then I think this will be helping traffic a lot, especially peak or even traffic, because where the old gate was, it was a bottleneck for vehicles entering and exiting the Upper Camp. So well needed development. I like it. What are your thoughts? So Arnold Road and Camp Road.